just about top speed on the 32. Now we'll go ahead and switch into third and switch it onto the 40. Get up in there. I need to adjust my high screw. Alright, here we go. A lot easier to pedal. Hey, look, Mom. No hands. Going uphill? Yeah? It's okay. That was a major bump. Am I still in the 42? Yeah. No skipping in the 42. Good bumps. Good bumps. Yeah. Good bumps. Alright, now we're going to go down to my other gear. Oh, good God, there's a big difference in torque. Shift gears. Super bumpy. Alright, no skipping. No jumping. I'm very happy now. Acceleration is insane. I'm still in first. First gear. Smallest. Do this. Well, that was a first gear. Let's do a second gear pull. Hey, no more. It doesn't sound like now. It doesn't sound like it wants to like skip off when it's going when I'm rolling backwards. It's nice. Okay, I'm on 3, 1. Mode 2, power level 5, 3,000 watts, 3,500 max. I peeked out on that gear. Huh. Oh, that's because my brake's not adjusted all the way. That was too far out. Third. why is it saying it's brake, but it's not. The clip on the brake sensor wasn't, I didn't have it clipped down all the way. And it jiggled loose. See if we can roast this tire a little bit on the dirt. Oh, come on, don't grip. No, it just wants to grip. Sticky surface. Oh, I just saw a whole bunch of glass on the ground. I hate worst fucking thing ever is glass. Let's see if we can cycle through all these gears. 14 of them. Whoa, wheelie. Stay down.